Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Banyamir Jimon, halur kisenja manchim nang ni shakman, kat bakari India hi borak away kanang don hapadang kajing akon, ban khangla na kajing sapriang, ukunyang jingpang COVID-19. Haka katway terek mentaw bana jemang arazar arpo, o menteri rang bakdo kari India, Narendra Modi, ulasyong jalang lengba ka video conference, bat ki menteri rang bak jong ki jala baper kani kari India. Haka ni kajing Mir Jimon kebalane kumbahan rekunta, o menteri rang bak kani ke jala Meghalaya ru ukondat kongkal sama, ulay shimenta. Bat kawai hi nakimat ke balai keren hak ni kesengi kedai halor kejing perkheng ye kaya kayang juki pajba. Bat haka bakhat do hi kejing lang hak ni kesengi kala shim ye karai ba ya sipor hi ya menta ondang perkheng ya kaya kayang juki pajba.
Basically, we had almost a 6-hour meeting with the Honorable Prime Minister and other Chief Ministers of different states. And every Chief Minister was given some time to express their concerns and give their suggestions. In general, what we could make out from what has happened today is that the lockdown scenario, as we are moving forward, is changing. It's not the same lockdown which we had in the first one. It's not the same which was there second. It's not the same in the third. And therefore, the definition of the word lockdown itself is something that is, I should say, very dynamic. So now what we're going to see is that I think the correct word to use is restrictions. So therefore, we are going to see a lot more relaxation. We're going to also see a lot more freedom and flexibility being given to the states to decide what economic activities to start, which areas to define as containment zones or as red zones or other zones. So you will see a lot of flexibility being given to the states. But I think few things will remain general. There's a movement at the national level, interstate movements, flight restrictions, train passenger restrictions, apart from, of course, the movement for migrant laborers or students. That aside, I think in general we will still see some restrictions being put in when it comes to public transport in terms of flights and trains. There will be restrictions also in terms of places where gatherings takes place. So I think those kind of general restrictions, or if one would call that a lockdown, then well, a lockdown. But I think the right word to use will be restrictions now, will be there. But I think we would see a lot of activities being allowed and a lot of discretion being given to the state governments to define those activities and to open them up. So I think this is what it is in a nutshell. But I think the overall, the psychological word which everybody is used to is lockdown. So in general, you will see some kind of lockdown continuing, and you will see those areas that are there, restrictions continuing, but there will be much more flexibility and power being given to state governments to decide on those.